Hey, good to see y'all. I am filling in the blank spots. If you've been following my garden for any time, you've been noticing here lately I'm wanting to fill in all my spots with something, some kind of plant, so I can get roots in the ground. And so I really don't want any bare dirt. I don't want anything showing. And I want to feed the soil. I want to help the soil, that it will be enriched and all the microbes and everything in the soil that helps our plants grow. I'm working on that, hopefully over a period of years, that will enhance the garden. Right now I've got some cow manure, and I'm just going to dump it on this blank spot that I've got here in the garden. Before I go any further, let me just say this. Thank you to all of you subscribers, especially those that have been with us for a while, but also those that are new subscribers. We want to make you feel welcome. And I want to just put this out there. If you are a small gardener, small backyard gardener, homestead gardener, and you produce videos, but you actually show how to plant. A lot of folks do garden tours and things like that, and those are fine. I'm looking for gardeners that are interested in building up the soil, showing how to be more productive, and are able to get that across. If you're a content creator that does that kind of thing, comment in the comment section. Let me know so I can get over there to your channel. I can check it out. I am looking for all different kind of gardening channels that get to the point, that give me something that I can have some ideas about. Appreciate that. I've got some pink eye purple hull. They're actually a couple years old. I grew them in my garden. I just saved the seeds from them. What I'm going to do, if you'll notice, the ground wants to be covered. I mean, it just wants to be covered. And it's going to cover it with something. Got a lot of weeds, got a lot of these chamber bitters in here. I actually had planted some different things up in here. So I do have some like spinach, and even got a couple of carrots over there that should come up. But I want to fill in all the little blank spots. I got these collards right here. Never grown collards before, so I'm looking forward to that. But I'm just going to plant these pink eye purple hull seeds just all in here. I'm just going to just make little holes. Don't have any particular rhyme or reason about where I plant them. I'm just going to plant them, and they're going to come up. They're going to fill out like these. These are Crowder peas. That needs to be picked. And just get them all in here and hopefully have a germination. I actually got a tomato plant right here that's coming up. I have no idea how that got there, but it don't really matter because it's something in the ground and it's going to come up. I like these peas because they come up quick. Not only do they come up quick, they produce fairly quick. So I have a limited amount of time before I have a frost, and therefore the peas are something that's a quick producer. Plus it's also beneficial to the soil. It's going to cover this soil, and it's going to give the ground some nitrogen, hopefully in a year or so, whenever all that breaks down, and hopefully it'll enhance the garden, improve the soil. I'd like to also say I have a live stream that I do every Tuesday at 9 o'clock Central Time. Love for you to come over there, especially if you're a small gardener, or if you're a gardener, that backyard gardener, whatever. You put out these types of videos that I mentioned earlier, and I want you to come introduce yourself, and maybe we can put you out. If you want to get up on the live stream with me, I'll pull you up and we'll get you up there. But would love to meet you. Certainly want to encourage all the gardeners. I'd like to find the garden community, and not just the garden community that the YouTube algorithm throws up. I want to find all of you that are hidden, that don't come up on my recommended feed, so to speak. And that way that I can get to know you. I'm going to get to finish planting these seeds here, get them in the ground. We've got a lot of things to do. My son is headed out across the ocean this evening, so we're going to have to get around here, get him to the airport. Let me show you my buddy Paul real quick. Here was my videographer. This is Paul. This is my youngest son. He's in school, and he goes over here to the University of Southern Mississippi, and they have a study abroad program. Where are you going?
I'm going to Wales.
Wales, to college over there, just outside of I guess it's in the UK somewhere over there.
Yes, sir.
And he's going to be over there for about 4 months studying. He's studying what?
Psychology.
Psychology. He's going to learn he's going to try and finally figure out what goes on inside his daddy's head. But anyway, y'all wish him well. And if your prayers, pray for him. Pray for his mom and I, as we have to be without him. It'll be the first time we've ever had a child go that far away. Pray that everything will go well with him and that he'll learn a lot that'll be beneficial. What else you got to say, buddy?
Take care of my parents, and God bless.